Most construction teams don't realize how much software pricing can quietly affect project budgets until it is too late. Here's the truth, no one tells you. Fieldwire pricing in 2026 is not just about the monthly fee. It is about how many users you need, what level of coordination your projects require, and how much time you save on-site versus in the office. In this video, you'll get a clear breakdown of Fieldwire's pricing structure, what each plan typically includes, and which type of construction team each plan is actually built for. Let's start with the basic idea. Fieldwire uses a subscription model. That means you pay per user, usually monthly or annually. This makes it flexible for small teams, but also scalable for larger construction companies. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Fieldwire is not trying to be an all-in-one business system. It focuses mainly on job site coordination. So even the lower plans are already powerful for task management, blueprint access, and field communication. Let's break it down in simple terms. Entry-level plans are designed for small teams or subcontractors. These plans typically include task management, basic project tracking, and access to construction drawings. A site worker like Jake can receive tasks, check plans, and update progress directly from a mobile device. This level is ideal for teams that just need better coordination on site. But here's the problem. Lower plans usually have limitations on advanced features like detailed reporting, custom workflows, or large-scale project controls. So as your construction business grows, you may feel the need to upgrade. Mid-tier plans are where most growing construction companies operate. These plans usually include advanced task management, better collaboration tools, and stronger project tracking. A project manager like Alex can assign tasks across multiple crews, monitor progress in real time, and reduce delays caused by miscommunication. Now here's what changes at higher tiers. Premium plans are built for larger construction operations. These often include advanced reporting, deeper project visibility, and more control over multiple job sites. This is where Fieldwire becomes more of a full coordination system for complex projects rather than just a task tool. But there is something important to understand. Fieldwire pricing is not only about features. It is about efficiency. If your team reduces mistakes, avoids rework, and improves communication on site, the software can easily justify its cost. So is Fieldwire expensive in 2026? It depends on your project size. For small crews, it is usually affordable and highly practical. For larger companies, the cost increases, but so does the coordination value across multiple job sites. The key takeaway is simple. You are not just paying for software. You are paying to reduce miscommunication, delays, and expensive construction errors. If that is a problem in your business, Fieldwire can be worth every dollar. If this breakdown helped you understand Fieldwire pricing clearly, like, comment, and subscribe for more construction software guides like this.